This video explains how to register a company in Singapore. It is a quick guide from 3E Accounting. Choose your business type. Many owners pick a private limited company because it gives limited liability and looks professional. Think of a clear, unique name. Check it against ACRA rules. Some words need approval, so keep the name simple. You need at least one director who lives in Singapore, shareholders, a company secretary, and a local address. Get everyone's details ready. Collect passports or NRICs, contact info, your main business activity, and the company constitution. Keep copies neat and clear. Submit the application on ACRA's BizFile Plus portal. Enter the name, officers, address, and share details. Then pay the fee. After approval, you get a UEN and your company profile. Save these files. Your company now exists in Singapore. Open a corporate bank account. Set up accounting and payroll. If your trade needs a license or GST registration, apply early. Keep proper books, file taxes, and submit the annual return on time. Good records protect your business and build trust. Your company is ready to trade and grow in Singapore. If you want expert support at any step, 3E Accounting is here to help.